गोंयांत आतां मेरेन 2361.5 मिलीमीटर पावस नोंद जाला। फुडल्या 2 दिसांक राज्यांत बरो पावस पडूं येता। उपरांत पावस कमी जातलो म्हूण अदमास पणजी हवामान खात्यान उक्तायला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
So far, Goa state has received around 2,361.5 millimeter of rainfall, and actually we should have received 2,893.1 millimeter of rainfall. That means we are minus 18% below the normal rainfall. So if it is crossing minus 18, if it is minus 19 and below that, then we may face deficit monsoon this year. And as far as rainfall condition for next few days are concerned, coming 2 days we may get good showers like today, tomorrow, and afterwards rainfall activity will slow down because the cyclonic storm Dai was formed over Bay of Bengal, and it is moving northwestward. The central Indian region, if you see here the satellite picture, the central Indian region is receiving a good amount of rainfall, and subsequently after 1 or 2 days it will move northwestward and reach over the Gujarat and Rajasthan region. If you see model output, we can see that next coming 2 to 3 days there will be good rainfall activity, and rainfall activity is going to slow down afterwards. This satellite picture also shows that the central Indian region, the good amount of convection and good cloud patches you can see over this region. As far as Goa is concerned, clouding is there, but not as intense clouds as over this region because of the cyclonic storm Dai. So our forecast is that today and tomorrow there will be some rainfall activity, and rainfall activity is going to be slowed down afterwards.